Alright, picture this, you've finally decided to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. You've done your research, you've picked your platform, Coinbase. You're ready to buy your first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever catches your fancy. But then, a question hits you like a ton of bricks. Will my bank actually work with this? Specifically, will my Ally bank account play nice with Coinbase? Has that ever happened to you? That moment of hesitation, that tiny seed of doubt that stops you dead in your tracks? It's frustrating, isn't it? Especially when you're eager to jump into something new and exciting. You're not alone. The compatibility of banks and crypto exchanges is a common source of confusion and anxiety for many people. We're living in a world where digital finance is rapidly evolving. Cryptocurrency, once a niche interest, is becoming increasingly mainstream. But with this growth comes a complex web of regulations, partnerships, and technical integrations that can make navigating the financial landscape feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Banks, especially online banks like Ally, have their own systems, security protocols, and policies. And crypto exchanges like Coinbase operate within their own regulatory frameworks. The question of whether they mesh seamlessly isn't just about technical capability, it's about compliance, risk management, and ultimately, ensuring the safety of your funds. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Coinbase accept Ally Bank? The short answer is, it's a bit nuanced. While you can generally use your Ally bank account with Coinbase, there are a few important details you need to understand. First, let's talk about the methods you can use to connect your Ally bank account to Coinbase. The most common methods are ACH transfers and debit card transactions. ACH transfers, or automated clearinghouse transfers, are essentially electronic bank-to-bank transfers. They're a standard method for moving money between bank accounts in the United States. Coinbase supports ACH transfers, and you can typically link your Ally bank checking or savings account to your Coinbase account for these transfers. This is often the preferred method for larger transactions due to lower fees compared to debit card purchases. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. ACH transfers can take several business days to complete. This means that if you're looking to buy cryptocurrency quickly, you might need to consider other options. Additionally, Coinbase may impose limits on the amount you can transfer via ACH, especially for new users. Now, let's talk about debit card transactions. Ally Bank debit cards can generally be used to purchase cryptocurrency on Coinbase. This is a faster method than ACH transfers, allowing you to buy crypto instantly. However, there are a few considerations. Debit card transactions typically come with higher fees compared to ACH transfers. Also, Ally Bank may have its own policies regarding cryptocurrency transactions, and they might impose limits on the amount you can spend. It's crucial to check Ally Bank's terms and conditions or contact their customer service to confirm their specific policies regarding crypto transactions. Some banks might restrict or block transactions to crypto exchanges due to concerns about fraud or regulatory compliance. While Ally Bank doesn't explicitly prohibit crypto transactions, it's always best to double-check. Another important aspect to consider is the security of your accounts. When linking your bank account to any third-party platform, including Coinbase, you're essentially granting them access to your financial information. It's crucial to ensure that both Coinbase and Ally Bank employ robust security measures to protect your data. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns that people have about using Ally Bank with Coinbase. One common question is whether using Ally Bank with Coinbase will affect your credit score. The answer is generally no. Linking your bank account to Coinbase or making transactions on the platform won't directly impact your credit score. However, if you overdraft your account or fail to make payments on any loans or credit lines, it could indirectly affect your credit score. Another concern is the potential for fraud or scams. Cryptocurrency is a target for scammers, and it's important to be vigilant. Always verify the legitimacy of any platform or offer before providing your financial information. Be wary of phishing emails, fake websites, or social media scams that promise unrealistic returns. It's also crucial to understand the tax implications of cryptocurrency transactions. In the United States, the IRS treats cryptocurrency as property, and you may be required to pay capital gains taxes on any profits you make. Keep accurate records of your transactions and consult with a tax professional if you have any questions. Now, let's circle back to the core question: how do you actually connect your Ally bank account to Coinbase? First, you'll need to create a Coinbase account and complete the necessary verification steps. This typically involves providing your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth, and verifying your identity with a government-issued ID. Once your account is verified, you can link your Ally bank account. To do this, go to the Settings section of your Coinbase account and select Linked Accounts. From there, you can choose to link your bank account via ACH transfer or debit card. For ACH transfers, you'll need to provide your Ally bank account and routing numbers. Coinbase will then make 2 small test deposits into your account, and you'll need to verify the amounts to confirm the connection. For debit card transactions, you'll need to enter your Ally Bank debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, let's talk about some alternatives. If you're having trouble linking your Ally bank account to Coinbase, or if you're looking for other options, there are a few alternatives you can consider. One alternative is to use a different bank account. Some banks are more crypto-friendly than others, and you might find it easier to link your account to Coinbase if you switch banks. Another alternative is to use a different crypto exchange. There are many other reputable crypto exchanges available, such as Kraken, Gemini, and Binance.us. Each exchange has its own features, fees, and supported payment methods, so it's worth exploring different options to find the one that best suits your needs. You can also consider using a third-party payment processor, such as PayPal or Venmo. Some crypto exchanges allow you to fund your account using these payment processors, which can provide a convenient alternative to linking your bank account directly. In conclusion, while Ally Bank generally works with Coinbase, it's essential to understand the nuances of the connection. ACH transfers offer lower fees but take longer, while debit card transactions are faster but come with higher fees. Always verify Ally Bank's policies regarding crypto transactions and prioritize the security of your accounts. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay informed and adapt to changes. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.